Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Chitcat token. Chitcat, all one word, is the name of the token and the ticker symbol for this token. This token just got listed on CoinMarketCap maybe about 3 days ago or so fairly new listing. Token price right now, it's about 6.6 cents per token. It's up 1.4%, so kind of just staying the same today. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us. So check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. The Chitcat token. So their official webpage, chitcat.io, is on here, and chitcat.xyz. So they have two different web pages listed on here. They have a full white paper, their Block Explorer, Twitter, Medium articles, Telegram, BSC scan, price chart, and contract address are all available on CoinMarketCap. So right now they have 1,518 holders, so they're doing pretty good here. 29,169 transfers, 18 decimal places, and a total supply of 10 million tokens. Now, they do have a 13-page white paper that's going to have all the information on there. This is a Binance Smart Chain token. So if you did want to buy this token, all you'd have to do is fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain. Go into the dApps, find a Pancake Swap, and then trade your BSC for the Chitcat token using the contract address that you could find on CoinMarketCap or their BSC scan or their webpage. You can find it all over the place. You'll most likely have to set slippage somewhere around 3% for buys and 3% for sells, because there is a 3% tax. Besides that, you could find the tax information on their white paper. It says there is 3% tax, and 1.5% of that goes to marketing, and 1.5% of that goes to buyback. So there's no reflections or anything like that. It's just marketing and buyback. Now, there's 18 decimal places on this token. You can find the smart contract on their white paper as well in the tokenomics section. So it says, Chitcat is a decentralized messaging dApp based on blockchain technology and IBC protocol. So Chitcat's a decentralized dApp with blockchain tech and the inter-blockchain communication protocol. It provides a trustless and secure communication solution for users, enabling them to send messages, make calls, and video calls with just a wallet address. So the Chitcat implements a unique negative tax structure that benefits holders and motivates new holders to buy and hold the tokens. This paper presents the Chitcat's dApp technology, features, tokenomics, and roadmaps. So those are all the things that you could find on their white paper. So the messaging application has become an integral part of people's daily lives, and their adoption is growing rapidly. However, centralized messengers pose a significant threat to users' privacy and security, as they store messages on centralized servers and are vulnerable to attacks and breaches. So I think Elon Musk was saying something about that, about Twitter. The government had access to your DMs and all that type of stuff. So That is correct that, when it's owned by a central authority, they have access to all your stuff, even your personal direct messages. So Chitcat is a decentralized messaging dApp that addresses these concerns by leveraging blockchain technology and the IBC protocol to provide a trustless and secure communication solution. So the Chitcat provides the following features: best security of blockchain technology, send messages to users, make a call having just a wallet address, you could try video calls, and the Chitcat ensures that centralized authorities don't have access to users' data. So the technology, the IBC protocol, is an end-to-end connection-oriented stateful protocol for reliable, ordered, and authenticated communication between heterogeneous blockchains arranged in an unknown and dynamic topology. It allows blockchains to communicate with each other by specifying a set of data structures, abstractions, and semantics that can be implemented by any distributed ledger that satisfies a small set of requirements. So blockchain technology provides tamper resistance and ensures the integrity and security of data. The blockchain is decentralized and no centralized authority can approve transactions. So why we really need a messenger based on blockchain technology? Well, people communicate with others through messaging apps. For real-time communication, we are entirely dependent on digital technology, on centralized messengers. The servers will route the messages to the receiver from the sender, while transmitting your messages get stored on the central servers in your device's local storage, and then they give examples. So why you would need that? Obviously, there's more security, and it's a trustless system. And they go over how the dApp works. If you want to see more details about that on their white paper, you get the idea, though. It's no one controls your data, your messages, all that stuff except for you. So it has a negative tax and buyback, it says here. Negative tax at Chitcat is a special tax structure. Chitcat implements a unique negative tax structure that benefits holders and motivates new holders to buy and hold tokens. When a holder buys an amount of tokens, they receive an additional 3% of their tokens, creating a positive dynamic in the token price. When a holder sells their tokens, 3% of the transaction value is automatically deducted as a sell tax and divided into two parts: buyback and marketing. So the roadmap's on here. So phase 1 was the idea, utility development, website and socials, white paper, utility testing, establishment of community. Phase 2 is marketing campaign, deploy the smart contract, audit and KYC, utility upgrade, coins and listings, coin site listings, and then phase 3, the Chitcat release, partnerships and influencers, pink sale, pre-sale. So they did have a pre-sale on pink sale, it says. CoinGecko CoinMarketCap listing, which they just got, and then the update of the calls and video calls release, Ask Me Anything's marketing campaign, central exchange listings, and new white paper. So check it all out, chitcat.io. You can find this token listed on CoinMarketCap. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.